Today I want to talk about the DST Tarp. This is from Seek Outside. It's about I believe it's 10 feet by 10 feet. It all fits in, comes with this little carrying bag. And with it you get some seam grip sealer. And it appears it's made of some sort of ripstop nylon. Seems like pretty stout stuff. So we'll see. This particular pitch is going to be an enclosed pitch in case it's raining or windy or something of that nature. Typically I would use a blowgun, which is 5 feet, and you need 5 feet, a 5-foot pole or a 5-foot stick, or you can actually do this pitch with a rope hanging from a limb. Today I'm just going to use this. I happen to have this in the car. It's just a random collapsible trekking pole. And this pitch is going to need 4 or 5. You can get by with 3 actually, but I'm going to use 4 little pegs. You can also just cut your stakes out of sticks. No big deal. So, okay. As you can see, we've got it all laid out here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pin out each corner. Just the back 2 corners. The entrance is facing the camera. We've got a lot of rocks here, so that's going to make it a little challenging, but we'll make do. Now you want to get this back edge fairly tight. Okay, so we're just going to tie out these 2 corners. Then we're going to come up here to the front. We're going to bring this corner to the middle. And then we're going to bring this other corner to the middle. And we're just going to pin these down to the ground together. Once again, we're keeping these fairly tight, the 2 side edges. Put your pin in facing the outside a bit. Some of you guys that have been training with me know exactly where I'm at. Take off this shirt. It's pretty warm today. Okay, so now what we have here is just basically a pyramid with an opening right here. I'm going to pin this one out here just so that I have somewhere to attach the doorway. So now I'm going to open this up. Then this is your entrance. It's a little breezy today, so that is making things a little bit challenging. Okay. So as you can see, I'm getting a little clumsy here, but we take the entrance over here, and then we will just stick it on this pin. We'll need to make some adjustments to the tension on the sides and things of that nature, but you get the point here. This thing goes up really quick. It weighs almost nothing. And you can absolutely put it up with things that you just found. Sticks, and hand-cut pegs. Okay, so I pinned this down to the wrong one, so you obviously don't put it there. We put it on the second ring, sorry. That's okay. This is my first time with this pitch. Okay, there we go. So at this point, you just mess with adjustments. You just move a pin to the left or to the right or in or out or something of that nature. As you can see, there's this little black pad right here. Goes up, it's two-sided. It's going to protect the nylon. So, you know, I'm not using anything really pointy with it, or really pointy with it for the pole. But this works out pretty well. Okay, so here we are. Keep in mind, I'm 6'1". There's plenty of room in here for me, for all my gear and everything else. Ideally, I would pin down the rest of these little fobs hanging out, but I'm not going to mess with that today. You get the point. Also, you could stack up leaves against the edges to keep wind out if it's really cold. Of course, if you want to take the time, dig trenches around it like we did in the Army for pup tents. I think this would be a lot better if I actually tied it with a rope from the top instead of putting this pole in here. The pole takes up some space that I don't need to take. But even as it is, there's plenty of room in here for gear and me and anything else that I want. So I'll be right back with you. Okay, as you can see, this works out really well. The entire thing, including the pegs that I'm carrying, under a pound, I would guess. I haven't weighed it, but it can't be much more than a pound. And it's a 10 by 10 foot tarp. I'll do more pitches with this to show you the versatility of this. This is like I said before, this is a Seek Outside DST Tarp. It looks very versatile. It's definitely tough. It's built right. And I don't have any kind of a relationship with Seek Outside. I had to buy this myself, and I don't mind doing it. I don't mind buying things. I actually prefer that so that I can give a fair evaluation. Nobody's giving me anything for this. So that's about it. And I hope you liked this video, and I hope you like this type of video. And if you do, please subscribe. 96% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. We really need some subscribers. Also, you know, that's going to get you notifications when new stuff drops. And I know it's been a while. I've been sick. My wife was sick, and then my kids were sick. So we've been kind of heads down for a while. And I probably still look like crap. But I'm on the mend, and I'm not sure what the next video is going to be, but it's going to be next week. And might do a hiking video. And I know pretty soon I want to do a video, a review video of the 10-point Viper S420 crossbow. There aren't a lot of reviews of it out there, and I happen to have one that I took in on a trade. So we're going to try that, see how that does, and so I'll see you next time. Skål.